The Hammargard's wastewater treatment plant in Kungsbacka is a vital infrastructure that not only serves over 44,000 households, but also hospitals, schools, and industries in the region. The treated effluent is discharged into the Kungsbacka River, and it is crucial to protect the ecosystem in the region from pharmaceutical residues that may harm it. The Kungsbacka River is home to a diverse and thriving fish population, including trout, salmon, pike, large perch, whitefish, and eel. It's also a vital spawning and breeding ground for these fish. The river flows into the Kungsbacka Fjord, which is a government-protected environmental zone. This region is home to unique coastal and marine ecosystems with a high diversity of plant and animal species, including several endangered species. But unfortunately, pharmaceutical residues can find their way into the river, which can harm wildlife and the environment. So, what can we do about it? Well, that's where Mellifiq comes in. Mellifiq has provided an innovative solution to reduce the release of pharmaceutical residues into the river. The solution consists of a treatment plant that employs several technologies to treat the water, such as ozonation, adsorption, and membrane filtration. Now let's go through the process step by step. The first technology, ozonation, uses advanced oxidation to break down the micropollutants chemically. Then, the remaining pollutants are physically removed through adsorption by attaching to activated carbon granules. Finally, the water goes through a membrane filter system that physically separates and removes any remaining pollutants. All three processes, combined with advanced automation, create a complete solution designed to disinfect and eliminate APIs and PFAS that can accumulate in living organisms, including humans. The result? Purified and safe water for reuse, which is excellent news for the nearby green spaces. The water can replace the current use of drinking water for irrigation, leading to a significant decrease in the overall consumption of drinking water. It's a win-win situation. This groundbreaking solution has the potential to revolutionize wastewater treatment, and Mellifiq is leading the way with this innovative technology. The Hammargard's wastewater treatment plant is one of the few in the region to adopt this advanced solution, which is essential for protecting the environment. So, if you're interested in learning more about this groundbreaking solution and the incredible work Mellifiq is doing, head over to mellifiq.com. It's time to protect our planet and the wildlife that calls it home.